Hey there, are you also fed up with a TikTok watermark and want to find a way to get rid of it? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can remove watermark on TikTok. This is super simple and easy. So let's dive into the video. We can say it like this: when we open TikTok and scroll through it, we sometimes come across a video we really like and we want to download it, but the watermark is causing us trouble. Okay, so now the video is downloaded. Now let's go to gallery. If I show you this video in my gallery, okay, so you can see there's the TikTok video that we just saved and there is the watermark on it. And it also appears at the end. So there's a very simple solution to remove it. Let me tell you how. Go back to the TikTok account, the video you like. Here you see the option, this arrow, tap on it, and there you see the option copy link. So just copy the link and now you can close all your applications on mobile phone. Now go to Google and here you need to search for snaptik.com. And here the new website will open and it will look like this. Now here you need to paste that link that we just copied and simply click on download. And here you see the different options. Just click on the second one and it will start downloading. It may take a little bit of time to download, but now it's downloaded. If we go to the gallery and watch this video, you will see that there's no watermark on it. Let me show you. So here the downloaded one, and as you see, there is no watermark on the video nor at the end. This solution provides a quick and easy way to enjoy your favorite TikTok videos without any annoying watermarks, making your viewing experience much more enjoyable. So there you have it, a simple trick to enjoy your favorite TikTok videos without those watermarks. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to an uninterrupted viewing experience. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!